ADAISHA and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's look, I'm gonna go for an extended ponytail, you know, like 16-inch ponytail. But look, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna use some crochet hair to spice it up. We're not using bundles today. I don't got money like that right now, so we're gonna use some crochet hair. This is like maybe my 4th video using this hair, but it's so good and it's so versatile. Like, I love this hair. So let's get started. First thing, let's detangle with my lovely wet brush. If you don't got this brush, girl, I'm gonna part my hair in 4 sections. I did flat iron my hair. It was only 1 pass through the flat iron on 310 degrees. That's as far as I will go when it comes to straightening my natural hair. Oh my god, if my titty pop out one more time, we're gonna have a problem. We're gonna have a problem. It's just gonna stay there. I wish YouTube would take it down because I'm over this road. Now that I am detangled, I'm going to part my hair in 3 sections. Is that straight? Hell no. Use the Shine and Jam by Magic Fingers. This stuff is bomb. This doesn't flake, it doesn't get white, it makes your parts look sleek. All right, let me do this braid. Not as straight. You're gonna have to take your time on it, but I mean, it's good enough for me. Let's move on because I'm tired. I'm gonna use Freeze Spray to slick it down and a little bit of edge booster in my blow dryer to sleek my hair down, and a hard brush and a rat tail comb. Let's get it. I'm gonna work on the sides and sleek them down, same way I did the back. I'm gonna split this into 2 sections too, just so there won't be any lumps.
Pause. Do y'all see this huge bald spot on my head? I swear I'm not bald. I swear, okay? I swear. It has to be the way I parted my hair because that is not there for real. Like, what? It can't be. It just can't be. It can't.
We almost done. It's gonna get hot in your room, okay? I'm hot. Jesus. Last section. Now that I'm done sleeking down my whole head, I'm gonna take a thick hair tie, double it up, and put it in a ponytail. Alright, I'm gonna do my edges, and then I'm going to let the whole hair dry with some wrap strips. I'll be back. My camera's about to die. Sorry. Alright, I'm back. Okay. So my hair is now dry, it's sleek, it's laid. Now we're gonna move on to the pony. I'm gonna put it into a braid. I'm gonna create a ponytail with the same hair and just put it on a hair tie and try to create like a long version of this. You know, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take this hair tie, taking one strand of the crochet hair. I'm not going in the middle like this and tying it. No, I want it to be long. I'm only gonna tie like an inch. When I say an inch, like this much, because I want it to stay long. And tie it like a bow tie. Not a bow tie, but a knot. I think I'm gonna double knot it since it's such a small knot. Double knot it and do that so it can be like, you know, the same length that I wanted it to be. Yes, 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 that's what we're doing. Let me finish this. I am finished making the ponytail. I only used one pack. I used 18 strands to cover the whole hair tie with the hair. And within one package, that was one bulk. That was 1.5 bulks because I still have like this much left that I didn't use. It comes with 3 bulks in one pack. So you do the math. Or no, I just did it for you. I'm just gonna tuck that into a little bun.
Let's roll, Heyyyy.
Last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a piece from the back to wrap around the base of the ponytail. And I'm gonna try to brush it out. Actually, I'm gonna cut this because I don't want it this long. And then I'm gonna wrap it around the base and secure it with a bobby pin. How long it is. It's like mid, like almost waist. Done. Done, done, done.
Oh my god, I'm geeking! Bitch, I look good. Oh my god. I look good. I didn't even see it. Wow.
So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye.